Well, good morning. It's your old buddy Interp66, and I'm out here at the pond this morning, and I'm going to do something a little special this morning. I'm going to do a pond vacuum video from my buddy Hillbilly Select Reviews. He asked me about my pond vac, and I'm going to do a little bit about it. I got to make this kind of a quick video because we're supposed to get some rain and some severe thunderstorms. I'll be kind of quick about this. Well, my pond vac, as you can see right here, is a Pondo Vac Classic, and I've used this before. I've talked about it before in other videos, and I'm gonna be kind of quick about it. He was asking about it plugging up and having any trouble. Oh, there's Jeremiah. This is the attachment I use. Now there's other ones I use, but I like this one. I have used it without one at all, just straight, and it does all right. Just to let you know, this is not like vacuuming a carpet. You will get stuff that will want to stick in the hoses. You kind of have to work on it. You'll see me. You notice I'm out here by myself. I'm going to try to video by myself. It won't be easy, but I'll do the best I can. This time of year, there are lots of stuff falling from the trees. I've got lots of stuff down at the bottom. I've been cleaning the pumps just about every day. I probably need to clean them. I cleaned them yesterday morning, and I probably could clean them now, but with the rain and the storms coming, I'm going to hold off to see how they do. Right now they're flowing just fine, but you can see the stuff floating around the top. So I'm going to clean, I'm going to vacuum the pond with the pumps running. That'll be interesting. I'm going to make this a quick video. I'm going to go around a little bit, and I'm going to try to vacuum with one hand and video with the other. So, alright, what we're going to do, as you can see, I've got this all ready. This ought to be cute. Excuse me if it ain't the best, but I love this vac. I wish I could have videoed it last time I tried, but this is not going to be easy. As you see, I got my minnow bucket. I went and bought some minnows this morning. In a few minutes I'm going to feed them. Alright, what I'm going to do is come right down here. Very simple. You turn it on, just like that. And I'm going to come in and go straight to the bottom. As you can see, sucking up some stuff. Now I did vacuum this the other day, so it shouldn't be too awfully bad, but you can see where it's sucking up a lot of mess. Oh, my helper's here. I might get her to video here in a minute. But you can see where it's sucking up stuff. Oh, look at that, a big old chunk of stuff just came up. Now, you see where it's not, it acts like it wants to plug. I'm kind of jerking it back and forth. That frees anything that's a little stuck. And of course now it cuts off automatically. So I lift up. Alright. In a second it'll cut back on, but I'm going to pause it and let my... I'm back. I've got my helper Emily taking over. Sorry about that abrupt stop. It cut off automatically and it did it again. And the discharge is coming out over there. Emily, if you want to swing around and show them the discharge, that's where the stuff is coming out, that it's sucking up. Now in a second it's going to cut back on, and I can get back to vacuuming. I love this unit, but like I said, it does get plugged a little. But don't let that scare you. You just have to work with it. As you can see, it's getting a lot of stuff. Like I said, I vacuumed it earlier. Oh, look at that. Woo! That's a lot of stuff coming up. Emily, can you see it good? Come on in. Woo! And yes, this time of year, a lot of stuff is coming from the trees. There's a lot of pollen in the water. And here we go again. It's doing its job. I have to kind of work to see all that stuff coming up. And yes, it is stopping a lot. And I figured it would. There's a lot of stuff coming up. Plus the exit hose is pointing uphill. So it's probably filling up a lot faster than it would if it was pointing downhill. It's having to fight gravity, so it's no big deal. And there's a, oh, there goes Jeremiah. I was going to rub his back. Oh, there you go. Let's get back to vacuuming. Ooh, that's a lot of stuff right there. Oh. Yeah, I can see right now I'm going to have to point that downhill some.
I could move it.
You could. Let's just leave it there for now. Okay. It's all right. I don't mind taking breaks. I don't mind taking a break. Up here we go. You can see it's doing the job. All right, I'm gonna pause this for a minute and we'll be right back in just a second. All right, we're back. I've turned the water hose on to get some extra water. And I've turned the exit hose down. So hopefully it won't be so much flow uphill. It's cut it off so quick. Oh yeah, you see it's really sucking up some stuff. Like I said, you kind of have to work with it. But I've had no trouble with this at all. I'd highly recommend getting a pond vac. I really would. It made a big difference taking the hose and pointing it downhill. You don't have to fight gravity. And you can see the stuff coming out the back end. What I usually do, I will work my way around the pond, but today, since we got rain and storms coming, I'm gonna be quick about this. Whoops, I'm gonna get this stuff right off the top here. There we go. You can see all the stuff I'm sucking up off the top. Yes, this will suck leaves, all kinds of debris off the bottom. So this thing will suck all kinds of debris off the bottom. Have no trouble with leaves, any kind of debris. You just have to work with it. Yeah, I'm very impressed with these pond vacs. Here we go again. And there's a leaf right there. I'm going to get it. There we go. I see another big leaf. I'm going to try to get that. Nope, I got a gumball right here. Like I said, this nozzle here is a little small. So stuff will get stuck at the end. You just have to check it. There we go. Got that big leaf I was working on. Got some more leaves right here. All right, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna work my way right over here. Oh yeah, you can see the stuff coming out. You got all kinds of leaves and debris. Emily, if you can, go down there and check it out. Show everybody the kind of leaves and stuff that are coming out. You can see all kinds of debris. Now I'm gonna try to get this stuff off the top. I've never really tried to get stuff off the top like this, but here we go. Oh yeah. Whoops. All right, something stuck here. Here we go. There we go. All right. Oh yeah, she's working on it. And we got a slight plug. Now she will get plugged up from time to time, either that. Oh, I got a kink. That's something you got to look out for. You see this right here? You got to worry about that. Oh, there we go. Now that's something. See, now I've got everything off. Right now I'm straight hosing it. But that's one thing you will have to kind of keep an eye on, kinks in the hoses. There we go. Oh, we got toad eggs. I'm gonna leave the toad alone. See the toad over there, Emily? She's got eggs. That's what all those frogs were hollering last night about. So you can see, I was gonna put that nozzle back on. And what I'm gonna do now is just go and do some video. So I'm gonna end it right here because I'm just gonna do some more vacuuming, nothing more really to show. I just want to show you a little bit how it works. So right now I'm gonna kind of end the video right there. It will suck up all kinds of debris. Like I said, there's a few things you always have to work on when you have these, but nothing really too big, nothing you can't take care of. I would highly recommend getting a pond vac. If you're into ponds, you definitely need, ooh, look at that big chunk of stuff. You definitely need one of these. These are lifesavers. Like I said, you just have to get used to using them. Look at that. Woo! That's stuff that your filters that will just clog up your filtration system. But this right here will take care of it before it's a problem with your filtration. All right. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much for watching and have a great day.